Welcome to the world's most advanced Python leather facility. If you're amazed by this transformation process, smash that subscribe button, hit the like icon.
Scales look good, slight blistering near the mid-ventrals. Weight is stable at 15.2. Noted.
I've logged the scale condition.
Be careful with this one, it's slightly soft.
I have it transferring to tray 3.
Tray 3 is ready for the incubator. Looks like 120 centimeters.
Got it. Weight is steady at 800 grams.
Okay, this row is done. Move to the prep station. 75% logged. Copy that, moving now.
The pattern consistency is flawless. Confirmed a plus grade on the ventral side.
Vitals are stable. Log the final readings and process the clearance on the tablet.
Yes, doctor.
Temperature holding at 65.
Roger that. Clear to load bay 3.
RFID scan complete.
This pattern qualifies for specialty. Let's move it to blue.
Confirm, the count just updated.
Notice the perfect scale alignment right here. The golden brown consistency is remarkable, confirming its premium grade.
Carts approaching Zone 3. Clear the pathway.
Confirmed. Proceeding slowly.
Processing credentials. Sanitization sequence initiated. Access granted. Entry logs updated.
Station 12 is ready for transfer. Confirmed. Moving the specimen now.
The full dose is administered. How are the vitals looking?
Heart rate and respiration are stable, doctor.
Confirm complete sedation. No reflexes.
Hold steady on the anterior section. We need to maintain tension for the next cut. Copy that, steady as she goes.
This one looks good. Move it to the drying racks.
The python skins move through a 3-stage rinsing system. Workers monitor the conductivity levels to ensure
We have a thin spot here, section C.
Yeah.
All right, mark that for trimming.
Scan complete on table 2.
Surface area is 14.2 square feet. Printing barcode now.
Keep a close eye on the temperature stabilization in drum 7.
Reading steady at 75, right on schedule. Okay, pull on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it moving. Watch the edge.
pH levels look good here. Confirmed, stage 3 is clear.
Check the tension on frame 42.
Looks good. Confirming on the tablet now.
Pulling slightly on corner 3.
Hold it there, gauge age is reading steady.
This batch is drying evenly. The humidity is perfect.
Yes, the sensors confirm 68 degrees.
Moisture levels are right where we want them, between 12 and 14. Logging that now.
Okay, release the top left now.
Got it. Moving to the center.
Steady on the right side, keep it tight.
The thickness here is 1.1 millimeters.
Check the edges, Carlos.
Looks good, definitely a premium cut.
Check the scale uniformity here near the tail.
Looks consistent. Definitely an A grade. We're holding steady at 0.9 millimeters.
The uniformity is excellent. Let's maintain this speed.
Okay, this section is confirmed natural. Moving to the next quadrant now.
Pull section 3 just a bit more. Reading 4.2 here. Okay, hold it steady now.
Gloss readings on table 4 are consistent.
Confirmed, surface stability is optimal at 68 degrees.
We are checking the scale adhesion and uniformity. As you can see, the water beads perfectly. We can finalize the checklist and apply the stamp.
Dimensions confirmed. Length 15.2 feet, width 28 inches.
High-res images uploaded. Tracking updated. Lot number 45B.
Did you update the location for the golden browns?
Yes, shelf 3C. The system confirmed the RFID tag.
The software suggests this alignment for the sleeves. See the diamond match here.
The color grading is perfect on this hide.
Let's tag this as set alpha.
Every template is cut with absolute precision, ensuring a tolerance of just 0.1 millimeters for our luxury line.
Does this match the diamond pattern here?
Yes, that locks the alignment perfectly. We are ready to cut.
Power output holding steady. Look at the precision on that curve.
Absolutely perfect. Minimal waste as expected.
Okay, pull it slightly to the left.
How is the symmetry now?
The laser line is perfect on the center diamonds.
The alignment is spot on right here.
Yeah, confirmed. The symmetry is perfect.
That's exactly what we needed.
Utilizing both advanced laser systems and precise hand tools, our artisans meticulously cut the pipe.
Pattern continuity verified on the sleeves and collar.
Checklist confirmed. Ready for tagging.
Tagging kit 405.
We apply reinforcement backing to stress areas like the shoulders and elbows, using a specialized adhesive and
This multi-layer construction demands absolute symmetry. The python leather and silk lining are stitched with expert precision.
Ensure the notches match the template exactly.
Yes, the python leather is ready for these kits.
Quality check complete on table 3.
Every python leather jacket receives a unique serialized hologram and an embedded RFID chip, ensuring its The blind stitch technique ensures the lining remains invisible from the exterior, crucial for a premium finish.
The texture is beautiful in this light.
Yes, the diamond pattern is really popping. Make sure we capture the collar detail next.
Did you verify the batch numbers on these 5?
Yes, manager. All records confirmed.
Excellent. Let's finalize the shipment.
Manifest confirmed. Box 42 of 50 scanned.
Authenticated.
Confirmed on the manifest. We have all the gray pythons.
This is the finest python leather we source, sustainably, of course. The scales have a unique texture.
Exquisite.
If you just lift your arm slightly, the movement is superb and the pattern placement is exquisite.
It feels incredible. This is exactly what I was looking for.
This hologram guarantees authenticity, and the site test permit ensures ethical sourcing.
Excellent, thank you.
Here are the authentication certificates and the detailed care instructions for your python jacket. Please note the specialized cleaning requirements. Thank you for shopping with us. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you, goodbye.
Airing for python leather requires precision. Always brush downwards with the grain, then apply the premium conditioner sparingly.